Okay guys, that's interesting here. Welcome back sa Angela's Name. Kamusta mga kababayan? Hello, welcome everybody. We have madami dito. Heaps of pan pots. We collect this every time we purchase, every $30 or more. Sa Woolworths here in Australia. Here is the pots of pan. Kasi nagtatanim kami ng mga gulay ngayon, vegetables. We planted vegetables right now through the big pots that we bought in Bunnings and in our garden center, like $50. That big pots, really nice, look like a woody, but it's plastic one. I show you one day. I'm gonna put something on it. In this, it's really interesting because instead soil, gagamitin instead you use the soil. I'll show you what's inside. They also give you this GIF. Sometimes they give you one, sometimes they give you two. It depends. Actually, one is just enough because you soak this in the water, warm water, of course. This jiffy, or the jiffy, it's another alternative if you don't want to use the soil for the seeds. So you soak this in the warm water, and it will swell for 5 minutes or so. After it's swelling, and then it's the time you open this one. What is that? Oh, that's the tomato. See, there is a name label as well for these tomato seeds. It's really more on vegetables and salads in these seeds. See, as you can see, there is a lot of seeds here. Madaming liso po mga kabayan. Ayan mga liso. Seeds here. And the label name is tomato. I don't know what kind of tomato is that. It's a lot of variety in the market nowadays. But you will find out once this one grows. Once this one is well, by all means, you put this back here right there. Swell maybe until here. And after swell, you open this one or even just put it like that. I think you don't have to tear it or something. Put it warm water a little bit, and then this one is just completely submerged and absorbed from this jiffy alternative using for the soil, which is quite cool. What do you call this? This is oh yeah, that's a tomato cherry. They're very easy to grow, guys. Madali lang siyang itanim. Quick to plants and grow really quickly, especially from springtime, of course, to summer. In the winter, mostly tomato, they don't like it, but there is some variety out there. Tomato, even winter, they still really thriving and grow really vigorously. And what else we got here? We also have, wow, there's a cabbage sugar loaf here. I think they're the small variety, I'm not sure. What else here? We have bunching onions, the one that I showed you. Yeah. What's this one here? It's a good thing about it because, see this one I told you? Sometimes they give you 3 jiffy this round thing, and sometimes they only give you one, so it depends with the batches and whatever they made. This is Panse Admars. What is that? And they give you also sprouting time 14 to 21 days, repotting time 8 to 10 weeks, and flowering time 16 weeks or so. Panse Admar, some kind of flowers. I'm not sure what is that. I'm gonna find out what's the Panse Admar. It look like a flower thing, flower seeds. What is it? There's so many pots of pan here, guys, and I don't know how to. I won't plant this in one go. Probably won't plant this in. This is a lemon balm, so that's the herb. It look like a mint, but it's not. It's different than mint leaves. Okay. Oh yeah, that's not only vegetables or salad seeds, but also they notice they give you also some flowers. Yeah, it depends on which one they grab when they give it to you in your basket or in your pots or in your basket. See, another tomato cherry here. Heaps of tomato cherry, or a lot. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is sage. We really love sage. Ayan. There you go. Ang ganda ng seeds. Sage. At merong GP at saka seeds here. What else we have here? I'm gonna check more of this. More. I'm just gonna close it later. Because it's some kind of... Okay. I think I already checked this one. This one, I think we did too. Sure. Oh no, that's the thyme. Oh wow. Thyme is good. Herbs is good. I got one Jeff here. It's a good one. It just makes you happy whenever you do shopping and you get the amount of a lot of groceries, amount of dollars, money, and they give you this. Oh, this is our favorite too, the lavender one. I wish we got some parsley leaves too, or parsley seeds. I'll see. I wish we get some parsley too. Yeah, that's a lavender. What else we have here, guys? We have pasella. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's looking like a leaves and flowers too, but I'm not sure that pasella term. It's new to me, so bear with me, guys. Wow, we have oregano. Look, it's too many herbs here. And oh, this look at that, guys. This one don't have any GP soil alternative. Anyhow, there is some few. I got 3 in one box. Got 3 of the GP round thing. So I'm just gonna use and take it out because one box of this little one can take only 1 GP. This round thing that we're talking about. Oh, another lemon balm. So we have 2 lemon balm herbs now and got 1 GP. It's amazing how this Woolworths company give this. Thank you, Woolworths. Of course, guys, it's not free. You have to buy groceries. So yeah, if you buy a lot of amount, laki yung na grocery mo, of course they give you a lot of this as well. It depends, but I guess the minimum is $30. Yeah, which is very useful, especially you got kids, you having fun time with them, you teaching them. Yeah, that's the advertising, you know, that government try to encourages everybody, the little family, to train your kids to give this one too. That's the bunching onion. Okay, maybe the little one, the white one, I'm not sure. The putting it back is kind of quite tricky because of the square thing. And what is this? Sorry guys, heaps of them here, so I have to show it to you. This is salvia. I don't know about the salvia now. It's not really so familiar, so give it be. Oh yeah, just as well got a GP here as well. And the seeds. What else we got here, guys? I'm just really quite happy. Oh, we got another sage. So we got 2 sage here now. Quite amazing, because if there's only few of this though in this square white paper. Some maybe 5 or 6 seeds that they put. I'm not sure. And what's in here? Dianthus. Oh, this is the one that I don't have familiar either. Dianthus. I don't know what it is. Got Jeffy as well. I don't know what is that Dianthus, guys. I only knew the herbs type. I'm not sure if this is herbs as well, the Dianthus. So yeah. Research if you like. Lettuce mix salad leaves. Oh, that's awesome. Finally, we get a green here for iron. Good for iron, fresh for salad leaves. So of course I think it's mixed, and I hope they have GP. Oh, look at that, guys. This is empty, no GP here. It's fine. There is one of the box got 3 or 2, so understandable. Well, what is this more? We really love the vegetable seeds. We have a cornflower. What is that cornflower? Cornflower. Okay. I was so happy. I thought it was the cauliflower seeds, but no, it's a cornflower. Oh, we have a poppy seeds. Look, actually, guys, the poppy seeds is the seeds that the flowers, red flowers or orange, really reddish flowers that you can find anywhere else in the field here, in the bush, anywhere in the field, and they are really nice. I'm not sure if you can eat the flowers too. I'm not pretty sure, but you have to research a bit more of that. And poppy seeds also, it's a lot of story for the Australian soldiers. Oh yeah, we have one jeep as well. Yeah, that's the one survived in the field whenever there's a combat for the war. Yeah, guys. We have a quite boxes here for the pots, vegetables, flowers, and things that not familiar to me with. And so happy na gin-share ko to sa inyo, guys. So happy that I share this to you. Yeah, probably like you buy $200 on this or so, and they give you like this amount, something like that, for like 2 weeks groceries or even more. Yeah, guys, salamat sa watching. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay kababayan. Thank you so much sa inyong pag-watching. Thank you so much for watching here and yeah, doing my pots of fun. I hope you have a lot of fun doing this and discovering what's inside too, because we do. Thank you, guys, and make me excited for planting things. I think they putting when is the really good time to repot them. Mostly of these vegetables, I know them because we always do planting vegetables in the big pots, really big pots for our iron, the green vegetables for salad, green onions, sometimes garlic, and onions, herbs. Yeah, so I kind of familiar. The rest I don't. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Maraming salamat at mabuhay. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and also comment down below. If you want to suggest anything that we would like to do, we'll try our best. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much and mabuhay. Long live. So long.